Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Delfami Maulana Mahmudi, and I'm student from the Software Engineering Technology program. Today, I want to share something that I think is super relevant, especially for people in my field, and that is careers and professional communication in IT. Okay, so let me start with something I personally relate to a lot. When I first started learning about software engineering, I keep hearing words like bug, debugging, and I thought, wait, are we talking about actually insect? Turns out no, a bug is basically an error or defect in piece of code that cause a program to behave in a way it's not supposed to, and debugging is what we do to hunt down the error and fix it. In software engineering technology, is literally something we deal with every single day, whether it's a logic error, a syntax mistake, or something way more frustrating that makes hard to figure out. So yeah, bugs are bugs are a big part of our life, but that also makes problem solving such a core skill in this field. Another part is I pick up early on is hit the ground running. You'll hear this a lot when people talk about starting a new job or joining a new project team. It means jumping straight in and I working effectively right from day one without needing a long warm up period. Companies really look for this quality for it so that you're someone who can adapt quickly and start being value fast. And honestly, as software engineering student, we're already being trained for that. Every segment, every project, every deadline is basically preparing us to hit the ground running in the real world. Now, knowing all this, that thing is great, but let's be real, it's not enough on this own in the IT industry. Ethic and professionalism are just as important as your technical skill, or maybe even more. So, so let's talk about that side of thing first up. Is data privacy as someone going to into software engineering? You're going to be the person actually building the system that store and process people's personal information. That's a health responsibility, so we cannot just carelessly handle user information. That's a health responsibility, so we cannot just carelessly handle user data. No can no Nor can we cut commerce or security just because I feel like extra work. The moment we start ignoring data privacy, we put real people at risk, and that's not something any professional should be okay. Then, three cyber ethic. A lot of people think this just means that hack stuff, but it goes way deeper than that. It's about being responsibility with the power that comes that with knowing how system work. However, this does mean you need to be stressed about everything you do online. It just means being thoughtful and intentional waiver your system. Heading code, sharing some work relate always. Ask yourself, would I be comfortable if my team lead or client saw exactly what I am doing right now? Teamwork, teamwork is another thing dismissive in this field, yet a lot of people still imagine software engineering as alone posting alone with their handphones, and the reality is so different. Most software project, whether it's build an app, a web platform, or an internal system, involve cross-functional team working together every single day. Code reviews, sprint meeting, pair programming, it's all collaborative. Moreover, being someone who communicate well and work nicely with others can actually be thing that gets you promoted over someone who is technical brilliant, but difficult to work with. Alright, so let's get into formal business communication because this is genuinely something a lot of fresh grads struggle with when they first step into the professional world. And I think it's something we don't practice now in school. The first thing is introducing yourself professionally. Whether it's a job interview, a company visit, or meeting a new client, how you introduce yourself matter a lot. In terms of something like you, hey, I'm Fahmi, I just graduated. They want to say something more like this. Uh, Good morning, my name is Fahmi and I recently graduated from the software engineering technology program. I have practical experience in software development, including building web-based application and working with version control system like Git. I'm really looking forward to the opportunity to contribute and grow with your team. See how that last differently is not static or robotic, it's just clear, confident, and specific. It tells people actually who you are and what you bring to the table. Next, explaining your skill and experience. When a recruiter or client asks what you can do, don't just say I know coding. Be specific about what you've actually done something like. Uh, During my internship, I was part of team responsible for developing and maintaining a web-based inventory management system. I handle the backend using PHP and MySQL, and I also collaborated with the front-end team to make sure everything interests something. We managed to cut the manual input process by almost a person, which the client was really happy about. That kind of answer. So real experience, real result, and real teamwork is actually what employers went to her. And lastly, formal communication with client or companies. This one is hard because a lot of people freeze up when they have to write a professional email, especially when delivering not so great now. Let's say from teamwork is behind a project. You will just text the client, sorry, we're still working on in a professional email. What look more this is? There miss there That email is honest, respectful, and professional. A lot on English make exist, but I also there's leverage the client in the dark and the kind of communication that will long-term trust. So, to wrap all up, someone is software engineering technology, the technical skill we so we carry and the professionalism we bring into every interaction are what really going to deadline or careers because technical skill can open the door. Yet if your character, your communication and your integrity that will keep you in the room and take you further than you ever expected. So expected. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was useful. See you.